Hello students, in this video we will discuss about section formula. What is section? Section means divide anything into two parts or more parts. This is known as section. Section means divide. Suppose a point P divides Q and R in two parts in the ratio M1 is to M2. If coordinate of Q is Q x1 y1 and R is x2 y2, then coordinate of P will be find by section formula. Since first you should be clear, there are two type of sections. First internally and second is externally. There are two types of section. First is internally division. Now first we discuss the internally division. If point P divide the QR into two parts internally, then what will be coordinate of P if P divides Q and R in the ratio M1 is to M2? Then internally division, coordinate of P, let X and Y, therefore X equal to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 whole upon M1 plus M2, and Y coordinate will be M1 y2 plus M2 y1 whole upon M1 plus M2. This will be coordinate of P if P divide the Q and R internally. If we want to represent this situation by graph, then if Q and R divided by P internally, then we express this like this, where coordinate of Q is x1 y1 and R is x2 y2. Ratio M1 is to M2, and we consider coordinate of P will be x and y. Then x will be M1 x2 plus M2 x1 upon M1 plus M2, and y will be M1 y2 plus M2 y1 whole upon M1 plus M2. This is the internally section formula. Now we will discuss next type, means externally division. In the externally division, in the externally division, P point divide the Q and R by the externally. That means, suppose this is Q and this is R, and P point lie outside of P and R, Q and R, and coordinate of Q is x1, y1 and R is x2, y2, and ratio QR will be M1. This is the QR, and Q to P will be M2. Q to P will be M2. This is the ratio. And if we suppose coordinate of P is x comma y, then coordinate of P in the externally division of x comma y, then x equal to m1 x2 minus m2 x1 whole upon m1 minus m2, and y equal to m1 y2 minus m2 y1 whole upon m1 minus m2. This is the coordinate of P by the externally division. Now in the next video, we will discuss about midpoint of any given line.